Ona bolachi Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ asị na agụghị ụzọ agụghị ọnụ ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ na-atụpụghị oge ọbụla ka anyị mee ngwa ngwa wetara unu oziọma anyị nwere n'ụbọchị nkịta maka na o nwere ajụjụ ụfọdụ n'ụmụ unu na-ajụkasị banyere health insurance. Amakọwakene health insurance ahụ n'asụsụ oyibo. For those of you that doesn't understand Igbo, please bear with me. I'm going to be interpreting this in both Igbo and English, all right? Because I knew that a lot of you guys joined us because of our good information and because we are using English, all right? Because a long time ago on this platform, so we can't throw them away. So I get the way we'll be communicating both in English and Igbo, so as to carry everyone along. Someone asked me some time ago regarding about health insurance. How do I get health insurance? Which health insurance is the best for me? All right. Depending on the location where you are going to, depending on the location where you are traveling to, that is what most important. European health insurance is totally different from American health insurance, and I will also explain to you the reason why it's totally different. All right. When going to America, they have their own policy system. When they require health insurance is a total different thing. The method in which they pay their own health insurance in America is a total different thing. And the method in which Europeans pay their own health insurance is a total also different thing. And because of say, how do I get my health insurance? All right. There are varieties of health insurance companies in Nigeria, depending on your location. All right, which I'll be mentioning to you first of all before I go into details. Tell you the need and the reason why health insurance is very, very necessary and important in your visa application. All right, and most embassies go as far as denying you visa if you don't have health insurance. In fact, almost all will deny you visa if you don't have health insurance. All right, now let me just mention just but few health insurance which you companies that you can use for your visa application. The recognized ones that you can use. Pay very close attention why I mention all this. The first on my list right here is ACO Health Insurance. ACO is ALLCO, Health Insurance. All right. The next what I have right here is Mutual Benefit Health Insurance Company. All right. All these you can Google them, you can check them out. These are well recognized health insurance. And the last but not the least is Unitrust / Everson Health Insurance Company. All right, these are certified and recognized health insurance by European countries. For example, people who are traveling to Finland, people who are traveling to Sweden, if you use any of these health insurance companies that I just mentioned to you, automatically you are covered. Let me also emphasize this. Traveling to Schengen countries, don't forget that it requires you to have at least of 30,000 euros health insurance in your health insurance policy. All right. In doing that, I will tell you how you can cover that. How to cover your health insurance policies to come up to that amount, because most people are usually afraid. How will I raise $30,000? Yes, you can lend that money to cover your health insurance. You can borrow that money to cover your health insurance, register it, because it's not going to be in that particular health insurance. After your registration, then you can pull back that money and give back to whosoever you borrowed that money, or after you must have gotten your visa, you can pull back that money and give back to whosoever that borrowed you that money. The need and the necessity of you having that money is to make sure that you have adequate fund in your insurance custody in case you travel to abroad and you fall sick abroad, or in case of eventuality deaths happen, they see money to repatriate the body back to the person's country where he or she came from. Do you understand? Health insurance, that is the reason why they made it very mandatory, because no government, no authorities would like you to be a liability to them coming into their country. Instead of them getting from you, then they will be spending for you because you came to visit, because nobody knows where you came from, or nobody is showing up for your illness or for your body in case of death or whatever. Do you understand? That is the reason why they request for that fund, 30,000 euros. All right. US, I don't know. They also require health insurance, but I don't know the specific amount that's needed to be in your health insurance policy before you are allowed to travel with that type of health insurance, which you can present to them. All right. That is regarding health insurance. All right, regarding to your question which you ask about health insurance. Health insurance is often very much important when preparing for your visa application. It's often Europeans, Western world doesn't play with health insurance. It doesn't matter if you're students, you are traveling for tourists or visiting. It's very, very mandatory. All right. So this is all I have to say for now regarding to health insurance. In my next video, I'll be talking about Spain and their new work opportunity or job opportunity that you can apply from your home country, or that you can come. In my next video, I'll be talking about Spain and its job opportunity that you do not need to apply for job from your country before you can come to Spain. You can actually have some certain amount of money, then you come to Spain. But in my next video, I will explain more about this and how you need to succeed over this. Think of updates, Hollandoof, and I'll see you in my next video. Please, what makes me to go in last time was lack of sharing. Deem it to share this video. A lot of people need this information. You want me to be dishing out information, educative information that is helpful, but you don't want to be sharing it. How do you encourage me then? All right. So deem it to like, share, and subscribe for more information to come, because we are out for 2026. All right. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please look out to the link right here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. And I will see you in my next video. King of Updates, Hollandoof.